Former Gastonia police officer is facing more charges tonight in Gaston County after an earlier arrest by Charlotte-Mecklenburg police.
They arrested Xana Dove in September on charges of obstruction of justice, conspiracy to obtain property by false pretenses, and filing a false police report. Now, Dove is facing a laundry list of charges in Gaston County.
Xana Dove, who was 26 at the time, was an officer for Gastonia, North Carolina, before being fired and facing multiple felony charges. From QC News, Xana Dove was arrested by Charlotte-Mecklenburg police back on September 28, 2023 for 2 counts of obstruction of justice, conspiracy to obtain property by false pretenses, and for filing a false police report. She bonded out of Mecklenburg County Jail the next day, and that's according to Mecklenburg County Sheriff's and QC News. She was then suspended and later let go by Gastonia police. Xana's twin sister Xena was also arrested on September 29th by Charlotte-Mecklenburg police. She was charged with 2 counts of obtaining property on false pretenses and conspiracy to obtain property by false pretenses. Xena bonded out that same day. Xena, as far as I know, was not a former officer, but she was arrested again on December 7th, 2023 for being a fugitive and, as it says, and/or extradition to another state. Xana Dove was arrested again by her former department on December 12th, 2023, this time for 32 felony charges, which I'll list right here. From Fox 8, court documents revealed that Xana used law enforcement databases and computers for unauthorized acts such as searching license plates, warrants, and record checks. Xana Dove was not only accused of providing sensitive law enforcement data from confidential databases to a known violent convicted felon, but also instructed a man on how to pass a lie detector test, and she was found to be guilty of trafficking heroin. From law enforcement today, they state she was also accused of trafficking fentanyl. District Attorney Travis Page said she became a suspect after a confidential photo of a CMPD police informant was found on a suspected drug trafficker's cell phone. After her arrest on December 12th, her bond was initially set to $25,000, but then that was raised to $1 million shortly after. Officials have not stated that Xana Dove and Xena Dove's charges are connected, and I haven't seen or found any updates about their cases since December.